Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing to you a 3 BHK luxury apartment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like the video and share the video as much as possible. So let's check out the property here. So this is the floor lobby and this is the actual entrance of the flat. So as you enter into the flat, you have a big foyer space. The door size and quality is also pretty good. It's an 8 feet door that has been given so that you can move your big furnitures as well easily. And you can see this is a big foyer space that has been given, so the privacy is guaranteed. No one can peep into your living room directly. And in front of the foyer space, you have this servants room. So you can see this is a servant's room with a washroom attached. So in case if you have a 24/7 maid, then this would be useful for you. If you do not have a 24/7 maid, then you can utilize this space as a study area or a work from home space. You can do multiple uses. And this is a massive hall that has been given. It's a big hall and you can see the finishing of the marbles as well. So you will be getting the same color, the same finish and the same quality in your apartment as well. And along with the living area, you have a big balcony that has been attached. So it's a long balcony that has been given. And outside the balcony, you can see this view. This is an internal facing flat. So this is the view that you would be getting, and you can see the size of this hall. It's a pretty big size hall. Along with the hall, you have a dining space which is attached with the kitchen. So let's check out the kitchen. You're getting a door along with the kitchen, which usually you do not get in most of the construction. And this is a big cavity space that you're getting along with the kitchen, where you can even place your double door a big refrigerator. And this is a dry space attached with the kitchen, where inlet and outlet for washing machine is created. You can see this is the cavity that I was talking about on the right hand side, and there are two parallel platforms that has been given. And this is an additional space along with the kitchen, where you can create a kitchen storage, or you can create a temple. You can utilize this as per your choice. So again, it's a very big kitchen, unlike any other construction that you can see. And this is a dining space where you can keep your big dining table, 8-seater dining table easily. And you can see this is the passage. Now, one of the USPs of this flat is that you're getting a washroom along with all the bedrooms. So this is a common washroom, which is a small size washroom. And the reason being is that you are getting a washroom along with all the bedrooms, so you can utilize this washroom as a guest washroom. This is the first bedroom. So again, it's a pretty decent sized bedroom along with an attached balcony. So this is the attached balcony. All the balconies have been given a wooden finishing, although it's tiled, but it looks like wood. And you can see this is the bedroom, the first bedroom, and along with it there is an attached washroom as well. So these washrooms that are attached along with the bedrooms are pretty decent and big size washrooms. You can see this is the quality, the color of the tiles, everything would remain the same. You're getting all branded fittings, CP fittings, along with all the washrooms. So this is a big passage that you can see, and here you have two more bedrooms. So let's check out the second bedroom. So this is again a big bedroom which has been given along with a cupboard space. So once you place your cupboard, you have the entire carpet which you can use for yourself. And this is a big cavity space that has been given. This is actually a walk-in wardrobe that you can see here. And it comes with an attached washroom. Again, it's a very decent and big size washroom that has been given attached to this bedroom. And this is the balcony. So let's check out what view that you are getting from this particular balcony. You can see you're getting the view of the Godbandha Road and the Kapur Baudi flyover. So you could see the cars moving there. So it's a pretty decent size during night, where you can see the entire city lit up. And this bedroom, as I mentioned, comes with a cavity space where on the top you can create a storage, and below you can make your wardrobe. Let's check out the last and the master bedroom. So this is the biggest bedroom that you can see. As you enter, there is a small foyer space, and then you are getting this big bedroom. Attached to it, there is a standing balcony. Let's check out the view that what we are getting from this particular balcony. So let's have a tour of the flat. Here also you're getting a small cupboard space, and then along with that you have a big walk-in wardrobe space as well. So this is the balcony. Again, wooden color tiles have been placed in the balcony to give you a rich look, and this is the internal facing view that you're getting along with the Ghodbunder Road view. So let's check out the walk-in wardrobe that you're getting along with this particular bedroom. It's a big walk-in wardrobe space, and then along with it you're getting again an attached washroom. So this is the walk-in wardrobe space. Lot of space where you can create your wardrobe, you can create a storage, and then again this is a bed, this is the washroom that you're getting along with all high-end CP fittings. So guys, this is it. In true sense, this is a luxury flat. So if you're looking for a luxury flat, 3 BHK apartment near Majivada or Kapurbadi, Manpada, then you can definitely check out this flat. Please feel free to give me a call on my given number. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and this property comes with a 2080 scheme. So to know more about the scheme, you can give me a call. And thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you so much.